Hello, welcome to another video. My name is Janice LaRoche. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator with Stampin' Up. And I wanted to show you this Lots of Happy card kit today. It comes in the Occasions catalog. And we're going to make an alternative card from the kit with some of the stuff from the kit. Let's set that aside right now. Put it there. Okay. The kit is in the New Occasions catalog, and it is available until May 31st. It includes all this stuff. You get 20 cards, 5 of each kind. Well, there's 5 kinds, and you get 4 of each design. You get watercolor pencils, all your embellishment things you need, the stamp set, ribbon, the envelopes are lined. You get all the accents to go on top of your cards. There are 2 markers, watercolor pencils inside this kit that are exclusive only to this kit. You can't buy them. And that's the Flirty Flamingo and the Lemon Lime Twist. So today we're going to use those. In my sample card, I used the Stampin' Blends, but I will use the markers to show you in this kit. It comes in a lovely box. So if you wanted to make this kit and give it to somebody as a gift, you could do that. Mine's is all broken apart technically because I've been using it. You get the Lemon Lime Twist Ombre ribbon, your stamp set, and it has a lot of cute sayings on it. When you use black, it stains. You use red, it stains. So sending you lots and lots of happy. You've got all different sayings on here. You've got a flower with all the leaves and stuff, and then just one single flower. So you get the stamp set. You get the ink spot with the basic black ink. You also get a block to put your stamps on. And these are the watercolor markers or watercolor pencils. And this is your Flirty Flamingo and your Lemon Lime Twist that you can only get in this kit. And then you have your 2 other colors. I've made all the cards, but I've given some away in gifts and things, so I only have 3 here to show you. This is one of them, and it's Here's to the Happiest Birthday Yet. And this one has You Deserve the Best Life Has to Offer. And then this one is I'm Always Here for You. I think they're pretty. And you get inserts to put on the back of some of the cards. All the instructions are included that you would need. And these are some of the pop-outs that I've already taken off of the sleeves. It shows you where to use them in the cards. And more pop-outs that haven't popped out yet. And here's the cutest envelopes. See, they all have the black and white matching design on them. You got this size, that size, and then a bunch of that size. And then you have your gold foil accents to put behind your sayings and things, those. And then you have these ones that are have gold on them too, and that's you stamp your sentiments on these. And there's 3 sheets of those. And these are what I have left of the cards. I have the little ones. Then I have the hexagons, and then that size, well, you fold them in half, and then this size is your regular A2 size card. Then you have vellum leaves, and they suggest that you, it's a whole stack of them, and they suggest that you pop them out all in one stack. It makes it easier to pop out. They are a little bit intricate, delicate, so you have to be a little careful with them. I'm trying to pop some out to show you. Yeah, like that. And then you just separate them all. So, have those separated. I'll put that to the side. Then you have all your ones that you need to color to put on your cards. The instructions are very easy to follow. It tells you what to put on what card. It's very easy. the only thing you need is your choice of adhesive, and you can make this whole kit. So I don't need that. I don't need anything in here except what I already took out. Okay, so we'll put all this back in here right now. I don't need that. And I'll keep those out. Yeah, I'll keep the ribbon. And I'll set this aside. Oh, on this card, I really haven't put together yet. I used the Layered Leaves dynamic folder, but we're not going to use it on the one I'm going to make right now. I'm going to use the Hexagon dynamic folder. See how thick that is? You just run it with one plate through your Big Shot with your card, and it looks like that. Isn't that gorgeous? I just love it. Like so, you can get this in the regular annual catalog. So, okay, what you'll need. So let's go. You'll need an 8.5. Oops, sorry, I got a little piece of a glue dot there. By 5.5 basic black cardstock, scored at 4 1/4, and then you like just fold it and burnish it with your bone folder, and it leaves that nice crease in it. And then you'll need 1/2 of one of the Sahara sand cards in the kit, cut down to 4 by 5 1/4. So that will be your mat on that. And then you will need a piece of basic black, which measures 4.5 by 4.5. And what I'm going to do is I'll just take a little bit of fast fuse right now. Stick that there. And put it on here. And this is the easiest way I've found to cut this. So I just stick it on a little. And then I just, can you see? I hope you can see. I line it up there and just cut. Line it there. Cut. Just make your hexagon around the basic black. About as even as you can get it around the Sahara sand. There's probably a precision method to do this, but I just eyeball it and shoot for it. Now, so that gives you your basic black border. And this is going to go on your card like that, like so. And then you'll need your little hexagon one that you can pop out of the kit. And this is what you color with the watercolor pencils. So I started a couple just to show you. And I'm not going to do them all for the sake of the time of the video. So you just like color around. And then you can take your aqua painter or your blender pen. And you just smooth it all out. It's like painting it. See how that smooths it all out in there? Now if you want it darker in places, you can go around it again. Oh, I forgot a piece of paper towel. Alright. You take a piece of paper towel and just get the little bit of pink off, right? And then we'll do like a piece of the lemon lime twist. Right there. And you just go up. You don't have to. You could just color them with the markers, the crayons. I don't know why I keep calling them crayons and markers. They're pencils. And you can come in with a little bit of the darker green, the olive, old olive, and go over it with the blender and just blend them both together. So it gives it some depth and dimension. Okay, so I'm not going to color the whole thing, but you will. You can maybe do them all different colors. Like I'll do one of these ones in this color. Nothing on it. Good, good. And just blend it in. And take the green. It's very easy. Blend it in. Right? And then we just take this and we attach it to that. Well, let's stamp it first. Put my cap on. Take your block. You can use the one in the kit, or I'm using just one of mine. And I'm going to use the sentiment, sending you lots and lots of happy. So just put it on your block. And get your ink. And give it a good tap. And then center it as best you can. Sorry if my head is in the way. This is a foam board under here, so I don't need anything under. If you're using just a plain, the photopolymer stamps, it's best if you have a little bit of a cushion underneath. You don't need it with the red rubber stamps, they're fine. But, okay, that is the sentiment on there. And it, of course, would be all colored. I will color it when I'm done videoing for time's sake. So, let's put our card. We will put this one together. So, take your choice of adhesive, and I'm going to use Fast Fuse, and put it on your card. Stock, the hexagon shaped one, with the dynamic folder. I love it. I think it's so nice. Then center it on your black card base. No, down a little, down a little. There. You should be good. Okay. And then we'll take this part. Actually, no, I'll take this and put this on. And sort of place it in the middle. Now, I'm going to pop this up on dimensionals. I'll put 5, 4, and 1 in the middle. Peel these off. And we're going to place this up near the top and about even on each edge. And I guess we're going to do this one a little different too. I'm going to take a piece and fold it in half like this, instead of putting it around, because I've already put the card on now. You can always fix what we were. I wasn't supposed to do that, but let's make that. And that way. Oops. I should have just got my snips. Cut this. I'm going to put this down here. I love this color. I think it's so pretty. And we're just going to attach that with glue dots. So, just take your glue dot, put one on the end, and one on this end. And put that down on the bottom. And this one we'll put on the top. There. Make sure I get it on the same side. And another dot. And we will line these up there. Now, and take about an 8-inch piece of ribbon. About, I'm going to cheat, use my little bow maker my husband made me out of pegboard and little dowels. So take about 8 inches, I'd say, of the ribbon and make you a bow. Well, first of all, you make a an awareness ribbon. Cross it over like that. Underneath, pull it over. You see my bow? It's so easy to tie a bow this way, and you get them all the same size. Blah blah blah. I just love it. And then you just cut your, I should have got sharp scissors. No. Move all that out my way. And I think I'm going to put this on here, on that end. There. And we'll get a little glue dot and stick this baby there. And voila. There's an alternate card for this Lots of Happy card kit. I hope you enjoyed. And if you want all the measurements, if you've missed any, I will have them on my blog and on my website. And my website is stampingnana.com. If you'd like if you need a demonstrator, I would be happy to be your demonstrator. And if you purchase anything from me, I will send you a little gift in the mail as a thank you for purchasing. I would love to have you as part of my team. And right now is a brilliant time to sign up to become a demonstrator. It's $99 for your kit, but you get $125 worth of products, plus you get 2 free stamps of your choice out of the catalog, and it's free shipping. So it's a brilliant offer if you'd like to become a demonstrator. I appreciate you watching and taking the time. Please click subscribe at the bottom right of your screen if you'd like to get notifications when I upload some more videos, and check out some of my other videos. I am fairly new. I've been with Stampin' Up for 6 months, and I'm still learning how to video, and I have not figured out the editing part yet. So you will see my camera shaking, and the lighting is not the best, but I will get there, I hope. Well, thank you once again for watching, and you have a great evening. Bye-bye.